There does seem to be, I was going to say did, but still does seem to be this sense of hopelessness. And I think the way that the Baha'i faith is unique in how it approaches racial issues, the hopelessness comes from people not knowing how to change the root. And Baha'is believe that the Baha'i dispensation and the writings have the power to help people recognize and actually their hearts to transform, which are at the root of these structures. In the institutions, we always talk about institutional and structural racism. At the root, there are people who have diseased hearts. Their hearts are diseased by racism. I think for myself, this is the community I've seen who's recognizing the spiritual roots of racism, and that it's not just a set of laws, and it's not just a culture even. Like the culture is fueled by the fact that there's this misunderstanding of spiritual realities, or this negligence of spiritual realities, that we are one and we are interconnected. I think that the Black community in this country has shown constructive resilience in that, like, and I don't even necessarily know if it was an intentional effort. I think that this is just naturally how people grew around things. Like, oh, our school system isn't strong because we have less funds. Like, we learn how to, our culture becomes one that we teach through in our homes and in less formal ways. Storytelling becomes super rich and important. And this is like rooted in just slavery. Like, if you're not educating all of your slaves the same way a white person is educating their child at the time. A lot of the things that are cultural, people view them as cultural fruits of Black America, are, I think, fruits of constructive resilience existing for as long as Black people have been here. And holding on to parts of their culture that they really, really value and passing them down to their children, and ensuring that people have modes of expression despite being enslaved and then segregated and then oppressed in different forms as we have today. I think that our music, like the things we contribute to arts, the academics and scientific advancements we made have all had to have been the fruits of constructive resilience.